everyone, welcome back to this channel. Yes, if you are watching me first time, then please welcome. My name is Pragati Mishra and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Through this channel, I speak English where I try to get fluency day by day. Okay, and in this journey, whatever I learn or sometimes my real talks, whatever I want to express, everything I speak in English and shares with you. So today it's 8 p.m. and obviously today I'm too a little late to record this video, but right now I am fully excited to start this today's video. Okay, my dear friends, in my previous video I had shared different things. For example, the last video was about the confusing words. You can watch that video. But in my today's video, a little different topic I had decided to take. Okay, to you know what, sometimes our pronunciations are good, but when it comes to enunciations, yes, enunciation, it means to speak a sentence clearly. We tried different types of tongue twisters, so today I am with different types of tongue twisters. Hope you will enjoy it and please try it too. And I don't know how will I speak, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, so I will write it on screen. You will try it too, and I'm trying it here. Okay, so the first tongue twister of this video is this: seashells she sells by the seashore. Yes, she sells seashells by the seashores. Okay, practice it 5 times. Now, the tongue twister number 2. A proper coffee. Oh, I missed this chance. So, the second tongue twister is a proper copper coffee pot. Yes, a proper copper coffee pot. Practice it 5 times. Okay, now the third tongue twister is red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Okay, now the fourth is this: how can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Yes, these are little confusing. You can say little, they try to twist us, but if you are enough to speak any word in a sentence format, then you are absolutely good in English. It means your enunciation is good. Now, the fifth is double bubble gum bubbles double. Double bubble gums bubbles double. Try it. Now let's move to the next. Freshly fried fresh flesh. Freshly fried fresh flesh. It's very nice actually. Now let's move to the next one. That is that. Sixth ship sick. Sixth ship six. Before this, I had never tried such tongue twisters. Really rural. Really? Oh, it's wrong. Really rural. Really rural. Really rural. Yes. Now the last one of today's video is black background, brown background, black background, brown background, black background, brown background. So hope you had related these words and tried it too. So these are regarding tongue twisters. Okay, especially such tongue twisters help us to enunciate clearly. Our pronunciations are good, but in a sentence format, we try to improve our enunciations too, and it helps while speaking English a lot. It makes your English expressive in a very good way. Tongue twisters helps your tongue to speak clearly, and please do not get confused with the different types of sounds which comes out in a same manner. So my dear friends, let's stop here for today's video. I will meet you soon in my upcoming video. And till then, keep practicing, keep moving forward. Take care and bye-bye.